Yeah? Hey, I'm taking video. Why don't you go show mommy what you can do? Good job. Are we gonna have a wet, sticky dog? I really didn't want to get wet, Chloe. Don't touch me. Hey, you're cold. That's cold water.
I touched you.
Hey, I'm taking video. I want to see you guys play. Go, Macy. Go outside the sprinkler. Or go through the sprinkler, I should say. Lily, let her be. She'll do it. Let her.